Welcome to G News. I'm Whitney Ashton.
And I'm Shayla Girardin.
We're back for the spring semester, and the graphic is back on stands as well.
Let's review the top news stories in this week's issue.
Pepperdine kicked off Peace, Hope, and Justice Week on January 19th. Inspired by Martin Luther King Jr., students led their own campaigns this week, focusing on those three ideals. The week consisted of volunteering in South LA, a special Martin Luther King Jr. student-led chapel, an art workshop, and more. The week will conclude on Friday with an art walk, which will be located in Adamson Plaza.
Your latest purchase could cause some controversy. Pepperdine's bookstore provider is threatening legal action against a new app. Occupy the Bookstore is a Google Chrome plugin that compares textbook prices from multiple websites for students. The Follett Corporation, which stocks Pepperdine's bookstores, threatened the Occupy app with a lawsuit in September. A representative of Follett sent an email requesting the app be removed from the website. Occupy did not respond to Follett's email.
Students and faculty gathered in solidarity on January 14th for a die-in demonstration. The peaceful protest was organized by first-year School of Law student Brittany Hughes. The hour-long event featured speakers with commentary on racism and police brutality. Demonstrators participated by lying down in the School of Law atrium, holding signs or profiles of police brutality victims. For more on this story, see this week's staff editorial on our website.
Pepperdine freshman Senator Scott Hutchins is launching the Committee of International Students. The committee is designed to give a voice to international students at Pepperdine. The first meeting will take place Wednesday, February 11th. The committee's goal is to understand the concerns of international students. Any students interested in joining a committee should contact their SGA representative.
That's all the news we have for this episode. If you're craving more graphic coverage, visit pepperdine-graphic.com and follow us on social media at the handle PepGraphic.
Pick up a copy of this week's issue on newsstands located throughout campus. While you're there, be sure to grab a copy of the latest edition of Pepperdine Graphic Media's magazine, Currents.
We'll see you next week.